In this video, I'm going to tell you how much I'm paying for this apartment. I'm not going to make you wait till the end. I'm paying $18 a night here. And I'm going to show you exactly what that gets me here in the Philippines. And stick around till the end of this video. I'm going to tell you which city I'm in and what the $18 actually includes. I'm going to show you guys the apartment on the inside, what it comes with, how to get a place like this for yourself if you're coming here. And I'll show you the outside, some of the amenities and the surrounding area. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get into it. I'll show you my apartment here in the Philippines. As you walk in, the first thing you see is on your right is the small kitchen area, and on the left is the bathroom. And coming inside, I'm going to show you guys that a little bit more in detail. But as you come in here, you got your bed down here and actually a second bunk bed here for your friends that are coming to sleep over. I know personally I don't like anybody sleeping with me except for one person, and she knows who she is. But yeah, if you got some guy friends, whoever coming over, they can sleep up there, or you could just go up and down. Actually, I've never been up there. Let's take a look. What does it look like? Whoa! Okay, you better not be tall. You might hit your head up there. Anyways, so the bed area is kind of cool. And right across from the bed, you got the TV over here. Big screen TV, a little fan here that's if you want to just not use the air conditioning. A nice table with a couple chairs so you can have your breakfast, your morning coffee, watch some news, whatever you got to do, or watch some Living Abroad. Let me turn this on so you guys can take a look as well. And one thing I love is the air conditioning. It's nice and strong. It's really quiet. I can't hear nothing. And over here, they got another table for your working station. You got your laptop and a little bit area for your clothing. Now for me, of course, I'm not gonna use that coat here in the Philippines probably ever. It's too damn hot for me. A nice little painting over here. So far, so good. So this apartment is a studio. It does not come with its own bedroom. As you can see, everything is pretty much in the same area. You got the bed, the table, the TV, and the kitchen. Most studios here in the Philippines are rather small. They're not separated like some other countries are. They're basically one unit, and usually doesn't come with a kitchen. Or if it does come with a kitchen, it's a small area like this. Now I like this one because it's got a microwave, so at least I can heat some food up or whatever. It does work. And it's got some cupboard space, of course, put some stuff up here, plates and spoon and all that stuff. A sink, this sink is actually kind of big for the size of the actual counter, but you could put like a burner here or some kind of rice cooker if you want. Of course, comes with a kettle for your morning coffee, something to put your plates and dishes. Let's see what's in this mini fridge. It's not really mini, it's like a medium-sized fridge. I'm gonna show you guys what's in here. Whoa, nothing but a bottle of hot sauce and water. Oh, what's this? Let's have a look. If you guys don't know what Jayco is, it's like the best donut company. I think they're actually Indonesian, but they're all around Southeast Asia, most countries. I haven't seen one in Thailand. I don't know if there's one in there, but they have some of the best donuts you can have. Look at that. I've got a little bit of into this. 6 of these come for like 240, 60, basically for $5. You can get 6 amazing, delicious donuts made on the spot just for you. So far so good. I showed you guys the living room, the table, the kitchen area a little bit. Some steps going to the bunk bed. Let's check out the bathroom. Some of the most important parts of staying in a place is the bathroom, at least for me anyways, because I like my, whoa, something just fell. These 2 towels were here, one for my face, one for my butt. I'm just kidding. Or am I? Anyways, let's go inside this bathroom and have a look. Okay, toilets in the corner, nice. One surprising thing, there's no bidet in this one. Most Filipino houses, you'll find a bidet. Most Filipino apartments, I should say, toilets have a bidet to wash your ass, but there's none of that here. So just some toilet paper and a sink, of course, with some, whatever, a mirror. I forgot the word for mirror. And my favorite part of this is the actual water heater, because I still cannot get used to taking a cold shower. And I've done a couple things. One, I've put this thing over the drain there, and I've covered this little hole with a plastic thing. If you can guess why I've done these 2 things, leave your comments down below. I'd love to know. Check this out. Can you tell I'm a dude? I just got like soap, toothbrush, and deodorant. That's it. Anyways, one more thing I really like about this place is the water pressure is really strong. Sometimes in the Philippines, depending on where you're going, you don't really get strong water pressure coming from the shower head or any of the taps themselves. So here it's really strong. One more thing about this is the balcony. Check this out. So whoa, look at this beautiful view. If you haven't guessed already, I'm actually in Davao City, right? So this is my apartment in Davao City near Abriza Mall. It's right next to the mall, which is amazing. So I usually just walk pretty much 100 meters, not even, to grab a coffee, grab some food. It's just an amazing place to just really convenient to walk to the Abriza Mall. And about 1.5 kilometers of Gaisano Mall, another great place to meet some fellow expats and go do some exploring. One thing that's kind of cool is I've never seen actual air conditioning units on the floor before. They usually mount it up on the walls here, but this one's on the floor. I'm not sure if that makes any difference. Oh, let me tell you guys a story that happened. So yesterday I was sitting right here on this table having a coffee, and I started getting dizzy, and I'm like, oh wow, I'm feeling dizzy, what's going on here? And I felt like my head was going left to right, and I'm like, wow, this coffee's strong, I should stop drinking it. But I'm like, wait, I'm actually like not feeling well, and I thought I was gonna faint. I'm like, what's going on? And I looked across, and this is what I see. I see this building literally swaying left to right, and all the water was pouring down from the pool, and I'm like, oh shit, it's an earthquake. So I got nothing except for my actual wallet and my phone, and I just ran barefoot down the stairs, 17 flights of stairs, and I get to the bottom floor and the door's locked. Everybody's screaming. It's like, whoa, open the door. And I'm like, why is the door locked? And every single staircase, the door doesn't have an actual handle to push through, which is crazy to me. It's a fire hazard. They should have something to push, or at least a bell if someone opens it, in case of they shouldn't be. Anyways, I don't want to talk about building codes here in the Philippines. I have no idea, but nobody could get out. So I ran back down the stairs, and I literally like body checked the door open. I guess it was stuck, and everybody ran out. So whoever was here during that earthquake was 6.9. I'm glad people are safe, I guess. I know some homes got wrecked a little bit. I've seen some pictures of damage to buildings. So it was the biggest, I think I've lived through I've experienced 3 or 4 earthquakes, 3 in the Philippines for sure. And this was definitely the worst one that I actually felt. So pretty terrifying, because I thought maybe something really bad was gonna happen. So maybe you guys can share your experience if you know anybody in that earthquake, or if you're in the earthquake yourself, let me know. Anyways, let's go outside. I'm gonna show you guys some of the other areas around here, just really quickly. Sir, do you know where the swimming pool, which floor? 9th floor. Okay, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Odilo.
And yourself?
My name is Jervy.
How long have you worked here?
Yeah.
How many years did you work here?
Almost 9 months. Coming
December. Are there many foreigners living here?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. Well, thank you so much. Thank you. I got my personal guide, taking me to the swimming pool. It's my first time. Oh, so you got the pool over here. Cool. And then there's a gym there too, yeah? Okay. Do you work out?
Yes.
You look like you work out, man. You're strong, huh?
Yes.
All right, let's take a look. Whoa, this is beautiful. Look at this. And you have a gym. I had no idea there's a gym here. Only a couple pieces of equipment, but that's all you need, right? Close to Robinson supermarket, and people doing TikTok. Super friendly guy, a personal guide to show me the pool and the gym. Let's go upstairs and I'll tell you guys how much this costs, and we'll finish up the video. That is my apartment here in Davao City. Let me know what you think of this place. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what you think of the price, the amenities, the apartment itself, anything you'd like to see different, or anything that surprised you. And if I'm paying too much for it or too little, considering I'm only renting it for a week and I'm only paying 7,000 pesos. Of course, if I stayed longer, I'm sure the owner will go ahead and accommodate me. She's really sweet, and I'm pretty sure I could get this place between maybe around 500 bucks a month, all included, with all the utilities and not having to sign like a long-term contract. So I think around 500 bucks you can get this place for a month, which is not bad here in Davao City, and that way you're not stuck somewhere long-term without having a good lay of the land before you commit to somewhere. And that's it for this video. I've done a lot of these kind of apartment tours. I stay in different places quite often. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see more apartment tours like this, and if you found this video entertaining, informative, or just want to show your love for myself, consider hitting that subscribe button, liking this video, sharing with somebody, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.